Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to unroll the upper bar with the settings and then tap on the settings icon in the right lower corner. Now let's tap on the timer on the second position, and as you can see we've got 4 different options from which we can choose, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see it will be immediately applied, so we can go back to the camera. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of icon which will show us that we've got the timer, which is not really nice, because you can be really surprised if you'll forget that you've got the timer set and you need to take a photo quickly. But that's okay. Let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 2 or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, of course you can change the timer just by entering the settings again, or turn it off completely, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.